Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can deposit cash onto your WIO Bank account. So let's get started. First guys, open your app on your mobile, in your smartphone, and log in your account and with your information. After that guys, go to app and look add option to add money, as you can see here, and then go on your page and enter your bank account details, your information, and after that click on name bank and the address and Swift code, and below these details you find option copy all and share this copy information. After copying your details guys, go open your bank account and which you wish to transfer funds to your WIO account, and put your bank details and initiate the transfer and click add the money and through cash deposit machine, and you currently it does not support this system guys. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video for you. See you on another video soon guys. Subscribe to more